Hi everyone! We're gonna show you how to wrap a Chinese spiral flaky pastry mooncake today. It is a delicious layered flaky pastry mooncake stuffed with purple sweet potato fillings. So delicious. Okay, so the recipe will show you how to make it. This specifically is about wrapping it because the wrapping you need to do layering, a series of steps to make layering to create the flaky pastry. The first thing is that there are two types of dough in this. There's something that we call the water dough, and then the other one is called oil dough. Here we're rolling out the water dough. This is the first process of layering. And then we wrap the oil dough, the purple dough in this case, inside the water dough. And that is how we're going to be able to start to achieve the beautiful spirals that we end up with this in this mooncake. So we wrap all the way around, and once this is encased, the next step is we are going to roll it out. Little bit of flour on the surface. Okay, now we're going to start to roll it out. Don't use too much flour. Always use as little flour as you can get away with. Basically so that it doesn't stick to anything. It also helps if you use a silicone mat, as we're doing here. A silicone mat really helps in non-stickiness. Okay, so we've rolled it out. You can see the purple showing through, and then we're going to roll it up. This helps to create layering. Okay, after a short rest, we're going to take what we're going to call the first roll up, flatten it a bit with your hands, and roll it out again. Okay, so we roll it out again, and as you can imagine, we have a lot of layers already, and we're creating a lot more by rolling out again. Once you've rolled it out, you're going to roll it up again, and we're going to call this the second roll up. And here we are, second roll up, and cover and let rest about a half an hour. And now we're going to slice it in half. And each second roll is sliced in half, and when you open it, it reveals beautiful spirals. And then you can roll that spiral out. Pretty awesome looking spirals, I think. Okay, roll it out. Seriously, don't you think that looks like a mini galaxy? I totally think so. Alright, so your pastry skin is basically done and ready for wrapping around the filling. So now we're going to pop over to the filling. Here is the filling. This is purple sweet potato filling, which we have a recipe for. We'll show you. We'll have it down below. And this first time we made this is really, really yummy. Very, just much yummier than I thought it was going to be. So you should definitely try this. Okay, so instead of the usual salted egg yolk inside mooncake, we decided to instead to put a piece of tender, chewy mochi as a surprise hidden inside of our mooncake. And we also have a link for that below. You can make it at home. It's super easy. Okay, we've hidden the mochi inside the filling, and we roll it into a ball. Now, the next step is, finally, we wrap everything together. This is the final step. When you wrap, make sure that the spirals are facing outwards. Don't forget that. It's really important. Okay, now gather up the pastry skin around the filling. And now the technique would be to use both hands. With one hand, you slowly turn the pastry. With the other hand, you gather and pinch. Gather and pinch. You want to pinch to a small nub, all right? And this helps you to make sure that it is completely closed up. Okay, and then just push the nub to one side and flatten. And there's your mooncake. Look at those spirals. It's pretty amazing, right? It's so pretty. I was actually very pleased with these, and I hope you will be too. Just a quick bake and you're done, and you can see your spiral pastries come out of the oven. So beautiful. Happy Mid-Autumn Festival, guys, and see you soon. Bye bye.